So most people solve this question like 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, right? Then again 1 minus 3 is equal to also minus 2. Now minus 2 multiply minus 2 is equal to plus 4, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 1 minus 3 multiply. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, right? Now here we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and here subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, right? So now 1, now minus 3 multiply minus 2 is equal to plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So the correct answer is 7, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.